Yeah. Hello guys, Mambo VP, it's your girl Precious Lisbeth. I'm back again with another video. I'm super excited for today's video. Yes guys, it's been long since I traveled with train, and today I want to share my experience with you. For the first time I'm gonna travel with the hard sleeper train. So guys, right now I'm in a beautiful city of Shenzhen. As you can see, I'm still in my hotel room, and today is the day that I'm going back to Shanghai. Yes guys, and I'm gonna use the hard sleeper train. I'm so nervous because it's gonna be a long journey, like 18 hours, and I want to experience this. I'm super excited guys. Stay with me until the end of this video. So I want to give you a quick tour for my hotel room apartment. Yeah, as you can see, it looks so messy, but yeah, I've been here for the past 4 days.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
Few moments later.
So you guys have already arrived at the station, and yeah, I don't know, I don't understand the gates here. It's kind of confusing. Maybe I need to find someone. So I had already bought some food for dinner, but I decided to go and buy more snacks because it's gonna be 18 hours guys. I mean, who knows, I might get hungry and all that. So I decided to get more snacks, so it can keep me for the next 18 hours.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me the
The best thing about this station, all the seats they have chargers. It's free of charge. All you have to do is to use your WeChat and scan the code on the screen, and then you're ready to go, which is so amazing.
nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole lot.
Hours later.
So guys, finally it's time to boarding. I'm tired. That's like
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake.
so after checking in, and I finally managed to find my bed, which was on top, and it's not that bad, but yeah, it was kind of hard for me to go up there. And I like the fact that they provide us with pillows and blankets. I've got my snacks here. I've got my my handbag, and yeah, that's another bed. And so as you can see, it's crazy, you guys. Okay, let me show you my snacks. So here I have popcorn. I've got the banana cake, and some water, and some burger, and some juice. I don't know how long it's gonna take me.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's
is too much for me. I think I'm gonna get tired. So I'm now sitting down. I'm waiting maybe later.
Close, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know.
So I wanted to see the toilet and voila. So I have to manage this in the next 18 hours, guys. Yeah, I mean, and also they have a sink where you can wash your hand, you can wash your face, you can brush your teeth. But yeah, you know, there is water that's coming from the sink. Whatever, it's manageable.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So it was dinner time, and you know, I was so hungry. I decided to have my dinner while enjoying the view of sunset. It was looking so beautiful, guys, and yeah, as you can see.
Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
The train, they also sell some food. As you can see, this lady here, you know, she was selling some food for dinner. So they also sell some snacks and some drinks, so you don't have to worry when you're traveling and you don't have food or you don't have a snack. They got you sorted. It wasn't that bad experience so far, and yeah, thank you for watching this video. That was it for today, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Get that.